Hey guys, so I have another baking video today and we'll be making a oatmeal raisin goji berry cookie. It's like a regular oatmeal raisin cookie except it also has goji berries in it. So you're gonna first start out with a cup of hot water and you're gonna pour your dried raisins and dried goji berries into them and let it sit there for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, in a medium-sized mixing bowl, mix together your butter, make sure it's at room temperature, and your brown sugar, and cream it together with a mixer. You can either use a hand mixer or you can use just a whisk until it's light and fluffy. And I just realized I forgot to say the exact measurements, so I'll start saying them now. So now add in a small egg and 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it together. And don't forget to scrape down the bowl so that everything's mixed together well. Moving on to the dry ingredients, whisk together 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a pinch of ground nutmeg. And mix that together with a whisk. And then add in 1½ cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. And then give it a mix as best as you can. I know the flour and oats probably won't mix together that well, so just do your best. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients in thirds, whisking after each addition. If your batter keeps getting stuck in the whisk, you can switch to a spatula or just use your spatula to help get the batter out of the whisks. I also found this really neat trick to get the batter out of your whisk, which is just lift your whisk until all the batter flies out. Now you're gonna drain the raisins and goji berries that were soaking and squeeze out as much of the water as possible without squishing the raisins or the goji berries to a pulp. Then use your spatula to incorporate the goji berries and raisins into your batter. Then I lined a cookie sheet with parchment paper and used a tablespoon cookie scoop to drop equal size of cookie batter onto the tray. And then I tried using a spatula to flatten the cookies a little, but that didn't work very well, so I switched to using my hands, and that worked a lot better. And then you're gonna bake it off at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes until you can lift the cookies off the tray without them sticking to the parchment paper. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.